friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu. So today in this video I'm going to share with you some of the skincare product from the brand Mama Earth. I've been using this product since the last couple of months, so now I can tell you whether this product suits my skin or not. So the product which I have got are Mama Earth Uttan face wash. The second product is Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. The third product is Skin Illuminate face serum, and the last product is Bye Bye Dark Circle eye cream. So let me start with this Mama Earth Uttan face wash. This face wash contains turmeric and saffron, and this is for tan removal basically, and this is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin type, and its net weight is 100 ml and it costs 249 rupees. And as you guys know, this turmeric and saffron are very good for your skin. This turmeric has antioxidant and antibacterial property which help your skin fight pimples and acne, and saffron has a brightening property which helps to rejuvenate your skin and bring out that glow in your skin. I basically like this face wash a lot because it doesn't leave my skin dry after using it, and it helps me prevent acne problem and pimples problem. This face wash has completely suited me. And this face wash also contains a small bits of walnut which helps a scrubber and helps you exfoliate your dead skin and remove your blackheads. So I highly recommend it, guys. The next product is the Skin Illuminate face serum with turmeric and vitamin C for radiant skin. And turmeric, as I've already told you, that it has an antibacterial and antioxidant properties. It helps to fight your pimples and acne problem, and vitamin C also has got a wide range of skin benefits. It helps you prevent fine lines, anti-aging. It also acts as an anti-aging property, and then it helps to brighten up your skin. It removes that pigmentation and dark spots from your skin, and it helps your skin which are patchy to smooth out, and it just gives your skin a very glowy texture. This serum comes in this type of tube pump package, which I think is very hygienic. You just have to pump out the product from the nozzle and just apply it to your skin. This has got a very light, smooth, soothing fragrance, and it get absorbed to your skin within a second and leave that shiny texture to your and gives that shiny texture to your skin. So yeah, I like this product a lot. So the next product is this Bye Bye Blemishes face cream with mulberry extract and vitamin C for uneven skin tone, and it contains mineral oil and it's free from paraben, and it has got bioactives, and it suits all skin type. Its net weight is 30 gram and it costs 449 rupees. At the back of the tube you can see the ingredients mentioned over here and the direction for its use. So this cream work wonder for acne and dark spot. It removes the spot quickly, but I think it doesn't work that fast on the pigmentation mark, because I've been using this product since 2 months and I've got the pigmentation mark over here and it hasn't faded out. So maybe it takes more time to work on pigmentation mark and all, but yeah, this definitely work on the acne mark and pimple spot. So it also comes in this pump tube, which I think again it's hygienic. Cream also absorb in your skin very quickly, and just you need to take a small amount of this product and just apply it on your face, and you can see it's non-greasy and non-sticky. And the last product is this Bye Bye Dark Circle eye cream. I just don't know what to say about this, but yeah, this product has got cucumber and peptide in it, and it's for dark circle and it's free from silicone and paraben free, and it suits all skin type. Its net weight is 20 gram and it costs around 399 rupees. Among these, my favorite one is the Upton face wash, and then the Skin Illuminate face serum, and the Bye Bye Blemishes face cream, and this one. So guys, this was all for today. I'll drop the link of this product in my description box below, so you can check the product which I purchased, and if you want to buy, you can just get yourself this product. You can get this buy this product from Amazon, you can buy this product from Nykaa or Purple or their own website. So if you like my video, then please do like, subscribe, and comment. So thank you. Bye bye.